Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered how millions of tons of tomatoes are harvested and transformed into beloved staples like tomato ketchup in America? From backyard barbecues to diner tables across the nation, tomatoes play a pivotal role in American cuisine. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind America's tomato consumption and the making of its beloved tomato sauce. It's a journey you won't want to miss. Before planting tomatoes, the soil must be prepared. It should be tilled to be loose and have a pH level between 6.0 and 6.8, which is ideal for tomatoes. Waterlogging. Ideally, tomatoes should be harvested when they are fully ripe, depending on the variety. Ideally in the early morning to keep them fresh longer. The tomato is firm but slightly soft when gently squeezed. Developed to meet the need to reduce manual labor on board the machine, the gigantic tomato harvester models were born. These machines are highly valued globally because of their exceptional output capacity and dependability, which are attained through continuous improvement and the use of premium components and materials. These machines can harvest tens of thousands of square meters of tomato fields each day and help reduce manual labor time by up to 95%. The rotating shaker with vibrating spokes and alternated drive system offers supreme separation capacities. The production rate is highly increased, but the tomatoes are still handled with utmost delicacy. The special feature of these gigantic machines is that they are equipped with technology to recognize the color of tomatoes. The first sorter eliminates almost all of the green tomatoes, and the next one rejects dirt and stones, finishing off the sorting phase based on the desired color. Let's take a look at how another gigantic machine operates. Tons of ripe tomatoes are devoured by these machines in the most optimal amount of time. Once the tomatoes are collected and the large containers are filled, they are stacked onto trucks for transportation to the processing plant. Small crane-equipped trucks are necessary to load such large tomato containers onto the trucks. It takes a significant number of large trucks to handle each tomato harvest in fields of that scale. The tomato sauce consumption of Americans is truly impressive. On average, an American consumes about 71 pounds, equivalent to 32 kilograms of tomato products annually, with more than half of this in the form of ketchup and tomato sauce. This means each American eats approximately 3 large bottles of ketchup every year. The ketchup industry in the US generates about $1.2 billion in revenue each year. So, how do they turn tons of tomatoes into bottles of delicious tomato sauce like that? Freshly harvested tomatoes are first transported to a washing system where they undergo thorough cleaning. This step removes dirt, clay, and any other surface contaminants from the tomatoes to ensure they are clean and ready for further processing. Once cleaned, the tomatoes moved to an automated peeling machine. This machine efficiently removes the skins from the tomatoes while preserving the flesh intact. The peeled tomatoes are carefully handled to maintain their quality and integrity. This peeling process will become easier thanks to the heat. After peeling, they are ready for the next stage. The peeled tomatoes are then fed into a grinder or crusher. This equipment finely grinds the tomatoes into a smooth pulp or puree. The grinding process breaks down the tomatoes into a consistency suitable for the next steps of production. After grinding, the tomato pulp is transferred to large mixing tanks. Here, water is added to achieve the desired consistency of the tomato mixture. The addition of water helps adjust the thickness and texture of the ketchup base, ensuring it meets quality standards. Next, a precise blend of spices and ingredients is incorporated into the tomato mixture. This step is crucial for imparting the distinctive flavor profile of tomato ketchup. Ingredients such as salt, sugar, vinegar, natural flavorings, and various additives are carefully measured and added according to specific recipes and taste requirements. The seasoned tomato mixture is then heated in large cooking vats. Once the cooking process is complete, the hot tomato ketchup is swiftly transferred to automated packaging machines. These machines fill bottles, jars, or cans with the ketchup and seal them to maintain freshness and hygiene. Look at these Heinz ketchup bottles, filled to the brim. These bottles of tomato sauce are then automatically sealed with lids. With such a massive consumption of tomato ketchup, it is even packaged in containers as large as these. We've explored the fascinating journey of how millions of tons of tomatoes are harvested and processed across America. Stay tuned for more insights into the intricate world of agricultural production. Thanks for watching.